I absolutely love these rubber bands. They do such a good job of keeping your hair in place without damaging your hair. And they work just like any normal rubber band, but there are a few tricks to them. Put them in just like any old rubber band. When you're ready to take it out, the one nice thing is the way the cord is, even if it gets tangled, it actually will just stretch apart and come out very easily. And during the day, it will hold the hair in place very well. Now, over time, they do get stretched out and they can get very large and not seem like they're going to work anymore. And there are two tricks to that. One, if you just leave it in a drawer for a little while, it will shrink back up to the original size. So if you have a pile of these, you don't have to worry about it. But if you only have a few and you want them to last, just hit them with a hairdryer and they will shrink back up immediately. They just need a little heat and the coils will shrink down. I cannot tell you how great these are on fine hair that is prone to breakage. It really prevents the breakage and keeps the hair healthy for the long run.